So sorry for this extended intro, but so glad to be here with you. It is a Tuesday, the 24th day in the month of December. That means it's Christmas Eve. How many people are excited? All right, before we get to that, let me say this. Gotta say good morning to the folks joining me on the TikTok platform. Gotta say good morning to the folks over on Twitch. All right, what just happened a while ago? Something weird is happening with my machine. I'm looking at my console and all of a sudden it says through. Why is it saying through? Why is it saying through, people? I don't know. So we have to restart the machine. I did check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. All right, not sure what's happening right here, but my machine has a line through now. It is saying through on my laptop. Let me see if I can correct that. But in the meantime, let me put something over here and see if I can get some music going, because it's like I'm not ready this morning. It's like I'm not ready, right? So let me get something playing on this side and see what happens.
Oh, it's here again. The time of the year. The time of the year. That time. I always look forward to this time of year. To do what
all right, so
should do. Spread good cheer.
We're streaming at blackscorpionenterprise.com. We're streaming on Facebook. We're streaming on the YouTube channel. We're on Twitch and on Mixcloud. And good morning to the folks over here on TikTok. Boy, what a morning. Soon tell them about it. Let the music play.
The time of the year. The time of the year. That time. I always look forward to this time of year. To do what we all should do. Spread good cheer. See happiness on the children's faces. People shopping and going places. Good friends coming together. No matter what the weather. Just the season. Christmas time again. So love without reason. Families and friends. Tis the season. Christmas time again. So love without reason. Families and friends. Oh, it's here again. The time of the year. The time of the year. That time. I always look forward to this time of year. To do what we all should do. Spread good cheer. See happiness on the children's faces. People shopping and going places. Good friends coming together. No matter what the weather. Just the season. Christmas time again. So love without reason. Families and friends. Just the season. Christmas time again. So love without reason. Families and friends.
Alright, that looks about fine.
The holidays are fine.
TikTok, you guys hearing me? Morning to Black D.
Feeling irate. Oh,
morning to Charmaine. Good morning to Shara Lisa.
Time of the year. The time of the year. That time. I always look forward to this time of year. To do what we all should do. Spread good cheer.
Morning to Calvin.
On the children's faces.
Good morning to Simonese. Dante, good morning to you.
Good friends coming together. No matter what the weather. Just the season. Christmas time again. So love without reason. Families and friends. Just the season. Christmas time again. are finally here, and everyone feeling irate. Sweet reggae music playing everywhere, and people going out to party. Some say it's the reason for the season that brings joy and happiness. We're celebrating life and living life to the fullest. Tis the season, Christmas time again. So love without reason, families and friends. Tis the season, Christmas time again. So love without reason, families and friends.
No greater gift than the gift of love. No greater joy than having you with me. I'm so happy the holidays find us together. No other place I'd rather be.
Good morning to my brother Keith Cole.
Christmas is having you here with me.
Shout outs to the folks over on TikTok.
For Christmas,
This is a Feel It Christmas medley from Irie Penn.
Christmas.
Just drop an email and me inbox it to you. My friend the music, me can't share.
Wish for Christmas is making dreams come true.
Good morning to Melissa.
You're prettier than all the decoration. Your smile is bright,
Sounds of Peter G. Before that, you heard from Hopeton Lindo.
more special than a special occasion.
Up next, the Songbird Novelty.
I just love the way you are. There's a time flies when you're having fun. I can't believe the year is almost done. Nobody else but you can make me feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true.
Good morning!
My wish for Christmas is having you here with me. My wish for Christmas is spending it with you. My wish for Christmas is how it's supposed to be. My wish for Christmas is making dreams come true.
I'm coming home, home for Christmas. I'm coming home, home for Christmas. I'm coming home, home for Christmas. I'm coming home. I'll be home for Christmas. Yeah. You can count
Sounds of the Lady Novelty.
me. Yeah. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Christmas Eve will find me. Yeah. Where the love light gleams. Yeah. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. Yeah. I'm coming home, home for Christmas. I'm coming home, home for Christmas. I'm coming home, home for Christmas. I'm coming home. I'll be home for Christmas.
Hey, thanks for the follow.
Yeah. You can count on me. Count on me. Yeah. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Christmas Eve will find me. Yeah. Where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas time again. If only in my dreams. Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys, playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One December, our hearts will see a world where men are free. Someday at Christmas, there'll be no war.
It's sons of our own Christopher Martin,
You together will make
alongside Tosh Alexander.
Shake a hand, shake a hand.
me, you together will make this Christmas bright. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer and you. It's Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes outshine the town, they do. It's Christmas, fireside is blazing bright.
Good morning.
Through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special
Roddy G
Christmas
is your morning man.
for me. Yeah. Oh, this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round your virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Come, they told me, pa-ra-pa-pum-pum, I have no gifts to give, pa-ra-pa-pum-pum. I am a poor boy too, pa-ra-pa-pum-pum. I am a poor boy too, pa-ra-pa-pum-pum, ra-pa-pum-pum, ra-pa-pum-pum. On my drum. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight.
It's the most wonderful time of year, and it's a morning that I got a lot of information to share with you. First of all, let me apologize for being absent yesterday. Yeah, it was a rough weekend. Gotta send a big shout out to my brother DJ Rohan. Yeah, you know, so we did the damn foot Sunday night. I celebrate him Earth Strong. And then yesterday morning, here's the big announcement, folks. So yesterday morning, I had an interview. A job opportunity came up, and I presented myself for it, and I've been accepted. So, folks, I'm a little unsure of what the schedule for Roddy for the Road will be going forward, but I had to come on this morning and let you know. So have I got my full audience over Facebook? Let me check in with my Facebook peeps. My Facebook peeps, uno no there. Only a handful of the few mornings me missing, uno disappear for me. Well, here what? I'm gonna have to make a post over on the Facebook page to let you guys know that there'll be some rescheduling of the show. My folks over on YouTube, Calvin, Melissa, Simonees, I see you. I hope you're hearing me loud and clear. But there'll be some rescheduling. Over on TikTok, why we just start, last week we start broadcast on TikTok, and already we're going to disrupt the format. But big up to the eye themselves, all my regulars over on TikTok, all of the people who are joined for the first time. Yeah, we're going to be doing some rescheduling. So I'm not sure what the schedule will be, but the show are going to reschedule. We're not going to do it every weekday morning. I don't think the schedule is going to allow it. You notice it's late start this morning. Yeah, we start late this morning because we're reaching 1 o'clock this morning. Well, after 1. So you know how that sleep cycle thing they go? Yeah. We have to make sure so we take care of that. Right? So I'll publish the schedule as soon as things are settled. But tomorrow being Christmas Day, there would not be any show tomorrow. Neither would there be a show on Boxing Day. So make we see how Friday morning go now. Can't promise you nothing yet. But follow me on the social media spaces. Thank you, Ava. Thank you, Keith Cole. Thank you, Don T. Those my folks over on Facebook. You know you can follow me on all platforms using the handle at DJRODDYG. Yeah, man. Big ups to the folks giving me the likes over up on TikTok, keeping the live active. Conscious, big up yourself, respect and thanks. Yeah. All right, back to the music. Sound of the lady Ikea. Not to be confused with Lila Ike. No, this is Ikea. Spelled I-K-A-Y-A. And she sings what? It's the what?
It's the most wonderful.
Hey, Selector James, thanks for the likes. Thanks for keeping the live active.
With the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties hosting, marshmallows for toasting and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Good morning.
There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
This sounds of Shaggy. Shaggy in a military voice. Hear my singer now.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Thank you, Keith Cole. Merry Christmas to you and the family as well.
From
I'm
the
sure Ryzan is already experiencing Christmas.
out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. And here we are in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Through the years, we'll all be together if the fate allows. Until then, we'll have to muddle through somehow. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. You know what it is.
People making
Sounds of Lady Fiona.
The man in the street and the couple upstairs all need to know there's someone who cares. Give love on Christmas Day. No greater gift is there than love.
Here's the sounds of Junior Brahma.
Listen to the birds, they are singing. Listen to the children, they are singing. It's Christmas time again. Yes, it is. Christmas time again. Listen to the bells, how they are ringing. Look at the grass, they are growing. Christmas time again. Yes, it is. Christmas time again.
Good morning.
See old Santa riding down the lane. See old Santa riding on a sleigh.
I gotta send a shout out to my Virgin Bedan.
Full of
He's on that YouTube check-in.
riding in the rain brings lots of joy. Listen to the children, they are singing. Listen to the birds, how they singing. It's Christmas time.
Yes,
again.
it is.
Yes, it is. Christmas time. again.
I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Good morning. We'll see you. Merry Christmas. I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense of media grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, show some love and let the peace fight burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense of media grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, show some love and let the peace fire burn. Oh, where we can party all the night away. Or enjoy the beaches where all the lovers play. You can take a swim and wash your tears away. Yeah, jamming in the sun just like Bob Marley said. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense of me. Good morning. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas.
Shout outs to the folks on TikTok joining in. Thank you so much for the follow.
Show some love and let the peace fire burn. Oh, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time. Where there is no snow, where the good sense of media grow. Oh, I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time. Don't have to be concerned, show some love and let the peace fire burn.
Relax in all the zone, I drink a red stripe beer. Drink a puffer for me, I know the smoke not here. I listen reggae music on the old barber here. I look back in a life and I give thanks to be here. Consider myself lucky, although my shoes steer. I know for me colleagues, them drop out through the year. Now after bag of money, now no new clothes for you. But if you're hungry, me a pretend that life is share.
Show them tell your man make you go something for Christmas. Cause the whole of them have it sit down and a discuss. But your man a give you no money for the gift rush. Them a go dead when you chips bust, yes, bust.
Now, question. How many people on the stream right now are in Jamaica? Have you guys tried going in on the plaza them? Wanna notice the traffic not normal? Hey, money there, you know? No. No want nobody tell me say them broke and no money, cause money there. People, do not try to drive on any road near any shopping area. It not gonna make sense. The simplest a plaza right now, loaded, not have space for parking. I better you find somewhere park your car and walk the shopping district then because it don't make sense drive. From town to country, from Kingston to Mobile, every parish on the island, every shopping district, turn up. May I talk the entire week. Today, I have an appointment to be somewhere at 6 p.m. May I left me yard from 2. For more than one reason still. I stop by barber shop, all a Christmas trim. But then after the Christmas trim, say me wait at barber shop maybe 2 hours. May I make sure try leave. Oh, by the way, the journey is about 45 minutes. May I left Mobile 2 hours before because the road the normal people. And then you have some people where just for them car just decide to broke down in the main stream of traffic. People with the car them where broke down, please, may I beg you know. If you know say your car not in a good mechanical condition, don't carry it out on the road today. Please don't add to the frustration that is driving through the towns and districts today. Not do it. If the car a poto, if you're not sure if it near might reach, take a taxi, take a bus today. Please not drive your car and broke down in the lane and make traffic back up unnecessarily. That happened twice yesterday. Mash up Mobile yesterday. Yeah man, one truck broke down round the clock. That mash up the afternoon. And then one next pickup go broke down on the highway at 9 o'clock last night. Well, maybe 8 o'clock. When me I leave my house to reach at one place, as me say, 45 minutes away. I leave 1 hour early. I go some up and turn on the road. Source of traffic. What go on? Vehicle broke down. People, me I beg you please. If a vehicle near might reach, not drive it. Take a taxi, cheaper. Can you imagine you go broke down right now, have to go find wrecker fee and all of them something there. Police a ticket you and I tell you say boy your cars and due delays. Take a taxi. May I beg you please and thanks. So go and go do no shopping. But shop responsibly. Drive responsibly and stay safe. Not so it go.
Well, it's coming like a holiday rush. Cause woman need the money, enough. You hear me? Whether Jamaican currency or in God we trust. Hey, girl, show them say your man make you go shopping for Christmas. Cause the whole of them have it sit down and a discuss. But your man a give you no money for the gift rush. Them a go dead when you chiss bust, yes, you must show them say your man make you go shopping for Christmas. But them with the bed and the dress are wet this month. After this holiday you know if you go take but
It's all about the car and respect, you know, Calvin.
yes,
But of course,
And that's the car and respect, you know.
you demand.
But you know so the car near might reach.
of course,
And today you want to go carry it out. You can't listen, hold on, let me tell you something serious. From a mechanical perspective, you cannot drive vehicles that have issues because sometimes you know that the car works best when it can drive free. But once you have to do the stop something, a whole heap of things are happen. You understand? Fuel pressure a go down. That have your work right, spark plug them have your work right, timing of your right, the radiator fan of your work proper so it can cool, breeze of your pass through the radiator so it can cool, all type of things of your for the car them when near might reach. You understand? So when you put them car in a circumstance where them bumper to bumper of your drive and stop, you start and stop, you understand the breeze now pass through the radiator. Anything and everything can go wrong. So don't pressure the vehicle in the Christmas. Don't pressure yourself in the Christmas. Just take a taxi, you understand? And as Bedan say, sometimes it's better y'all just foot it. What you say over TikTok people, you know, sometimes it's better you just foot it when it come on to them situation. Yeah man.
Like a holiday rush. Cause woman need the money, enough. You hear me? Whether Jamaican currency or in God we trust. Hey, girl, show them say your man make you go shopping for Christmas. Cause the whole of them have it sit down and a discuss. But
Shout out to Lloyd Roberts over there in Yonkers, New York.
them a go dead when you chiss bust, yes.
How you mean Kid Cole? Ride a bicycle.
Shopping for Christmas. The dress are wet this month. After this holiday you know if you go take bus. Cause you must want a Lexus, yes.
but of course,
Y'all only you demand treasure. You demand love and I go mind you forever.
but of course,
Them a chat and them a gala beggar.
Currently snowing in Yonkers.
Gorilla.
but of course,
So they're looking at a snowy white Christmas Eve.
Here come and them can't even buy feather.
but of course,
When you put 2 and 2
Lloyd says he hopes everyone where it's snowing think positive and drive safely.
Your man make you go shop me for Christmas.
Respect, lady.
All of them a bit sit down and a discuss, but your man a give you no money for the gift rush. Them a go get when the chip bust, yes, but of course your man make you go shop me for Christmas. But then we debated and the dress already spot. After this a holiday, you know we go take bus. So you must in a Lexus, yes.
But of course.
But then with the signal where you buy down a course. Holiday money let off you can boast. While a girl sit down and a wait for let her post. I better she join police.
But of course.
No holiday money you take gun or post. Yeah, your man sit down with champagne after toast. While a girl sit down and chat under like post. Man a down and a pay by day.
Taking a ride, a ride, a ride, a ride, a ride. Here's some money. Good morning. Taking a ride, a ride, a ride, a ride. That's alright. Here's some money.
Cruising around with a jeep full of honeys. Each one want to introduce me to their mummies. Some want me back up and come over with my luggage. The ride won't be smooth, it will be rugged. My loving altitude extremely cold-blooded. If you want to ride, make sure you can manage. My daily menu is some peanut porridge. What's left to do is to do some damage.
She pretty and she fit on with the latest. She's dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Big bumper from them girl and the bomb dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Fresh like a rose in a what girl clothes dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Me and me crew would have been too dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Careful we wish for mine we want. Then girl we make you go in and you work on guitar. I done it, I can't say it now. Them girl you not live a straw. Cause she pretty and she fit on with the latest. She's dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Big bumper from them girl and you're the bomb dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Fresh like a rose in a rock girl clothes dangerous. Got them a Boston girl. Me and me crew that's feeling too dangerous. Got them a Boston girl.
Me want to call for Jacqueline, but me have to draw for my robbers, for my robbers. I want them more and more protection better secure. I want to see that girl next door, but make sure I have them in store. Check it. Me want to call for Jacqueline, but me have to draw for my robbers, for my robbers. Sex nice, but the hate sting. We make you die like flowers, die out like flowers. Me want to call for Jacqueline, but me have to draw for my robbers, for my robbers. Sex nice, but the hate sting. We make you die like flowers, die out like flowers. Hunting top of me looking at me crystal ball. Me get to realize and no man on a wall. A most pretty girl you can't trust them at all, at all, at all, at all. Hey, you find a young girl and true she small. You think that she not give you bun with ball, but if you ever hear how much name a call, a call, a call. Anyway, hunting, hunting, hunting. Happy find something. Want pick a cherry, still me woulda cut a pumpkin, but woulda marry if me coulda virgin.
Hey,
Me hunting. Happy find something. And if I go carry then a baby all the browning. The berry in a sitting by a morning.
hey,
Me's a boy we don't believe that if it's Johnny. If even for a minute you have to steam still. Cause nothing like a hour of radical chill. To make me sleep better than a cup of night.
hey, me.
Tonight's supposed to nice, come here and reach her update. She call me after 5 and tell me she call her update. She tell me pass the house and go on the corner and go wait. But if she flop me, drop me pot, me now go make me slow.
Hey, Mr. Mention. Ask yourself this question. Who no say who no want done, man? And who no run the program. Tell me, have you ever stopped to think what make a
Good morning.
Have you ever asked her if she like how you do it? You need to check yourself before you start kiss your teeth, car. You're not ready for this yet, boy. Have you ever wondered what make a girl? A woman must be satisfied before you say you're done. You can't say a thing if you end up and get fun, car. You're not ready for this yet, boy. And you're a little fool, I say I am rule the world. And with my bum scary and I sleep over merle. Get your act together before you look another girl, car. You're not ready for this yet, boy. Did you even realize a woman have? Do you remember? Don't be young, little girl of one. Do you remember? That man I eat bully pound of food. You remember? But I'm not ready Remember it was under the sycamore tree. A boy want me tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for them. Tell you it was under the sycamore tree. A boy want me tell him to flee. I tell you it was under the sycamore tree. The sun stopped shining for me. Me as one can tell you some more time about someone with some wicked talk. When action for go on is like a wish them never even start. Love, I'm hearing these serious allegations.
It is Christmas Eve. And it is Roddy for the Road. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G. Shout out to all the folks checking in on TikTok. Everybody over here on Facebook. On the door. Wagwan me YouTube peeps. Better than over there. Bonfire, you know. Respect and thanks. That's a whole vibe on the Tuesday morning, the Christmas Eve morning. Put a little party in the thing as we get you ready for the road.
Me as one can tell you some more time about someone with some wicked talk. When action for go on is like a wish them never even start. Laugh, I'm hearing these serious allegations. Say the man them want come drop in a we bed. I tune them want come tune in from we station. I run them want come run me body red. I'm hearing some serious allegations. Say the man them want come drop in a we bed. I tune them want come tune in from we station. I run them want come run me body red. But tell me you, can you manage where you have to for so long? And if a hard night work, can you stay strong? I hope you have more than one combination. The ease all of me frustration. And if me want it fast, can you go a little faster? Create a storm and become a disaster. Disrupt this a weather for the forecaster. It's a pity you run it to tata.
I will do anything just for you. Make you feel happy.
Good morning.
I will do anything just for you. Sacrifice my love and give me that. This is boy. This is boy. Beating on my boom boom. Guarantee me not to see the easy girl and just hold on tight. Love me girl with all your might. Sometime but all this and said sometime about the head. Some of them know I've been loving it in your heart. Sometime but all this and they say some one with the head. Some of them know I've no loving get one. Two twang and a stand
Well, I might be cool, I might be simple, but I'm not rich up in Bridon. Drod me for fugitive, you fool. You never know, see me run the school, so me got the girls, them tool, fool. Just realize and understand, say me sing the slam, so me had the girls, them on done. You want this me from 19 no long when the girl, they from foundation. When woman, you're ready, some man of my man, you know I'm no girl, who fuck in a drum on, listen to me style, and catch the pattern, being with the next brand new song. Well,
this is boy.
no one amen. Let's put you on the argument. So would I give them heart, them mind, them soul, and everything, and then expand them with him. Oh, wow, while the DJ singing, that child, listen up. Some of me and the man just let me know. And if I be no sorry for snow. Affection in me heart just a bubble of the show. Can't hold it back, must have to let it flow.
I will do anything just for you. Make you feel happy and I never make you go. I will do anything just for you. Sacrifice my love, I can do it.
If you see me walking out, then something must be wrong. I will never do you that, trust me no more. So roll up the so much for you, me sing a song from the bottom of my heart. Because me check for you so much, something I go do you that. Come on in and me life apart and me come back. Natural African girl, she cool and she black. With a lot of tenderness to make me take a kick back. Especially for you, me bring a bunch of roses. When I them I say I just one bag of roses. To them I understand one no business. Tell them to mind them own. So you never catch a girl yard. So she come and chat and I go like say yeah, she a put food in her pot. I know chat a girl fit champion life. They come touch and me too. You should be coffee and mash the purpose. Tell me over the to double like a crocodile. Put your hand in the ear and jump up with your child. 1 penny to a penny, oh what a style. So you have your rodeo and if girl a go a while. Can't afford a bus fare, she have to walk a couple mile. Her foot back then tough like the veranda tile. And no joke me a make, then look if you see no smile. If a money, you get it in a tile. True, you never catch a girl yard. So how she come a chat and a go like say yeah, she a put food in her pot. And no check the girl with champion like the come. Touch a little, that's when the coffee don't match the money.
Stay on. You the man request me, can't take your lover. It I get loving around the kitchen. Wife honeymoon, she take the plane and go for him. Me it not ready. Tell everybody she a get the love, but you get the money. Wife exquisite, everything you have it. Now worry to yourself, cause everything legit, legit. Eyes of an angel, pretty like a rose. Splendid, she look from head down to toes. Girl, just say yes, I make me finger on the ring. Cause every time you pause me, baby, leave me one song to sing. No, just as you want me to worry. Nobody can make you break. No, cause when you have been a nice young girl, that no people won't get come again. No, surely can't make you worry. No, surely can't make you ball. No, cause when we say from the top to the bottom of the list,
Excess amount of loving, excess amount of care, excess amount of feelings, all I wanna share with you. Excess amount of passion, ain't no fatal attraction. I forgive, baby, let me be your
good morning. All of the eggs are more plenty. All of the gyal in the world them want it. Loving eggs are more plenty. All of the gyal in the world them want it.
Tell me now, say, no man a look you about me looking on the race. So, as no matter what you do, must have to get less. Coulda run till you run right out of the place. You know the still.
Roddy G is your morning
You
man.
are the hottest thing wherever take the place. Like, you are what consecrate your body with praise. Boy, you good looking for a while and look here. Remember about your band when you decide to share more. Can go together like Buddha and Peer. Rosy round stone and that stand clear. Oh, and giant.
No, I can't skip this next one. I can't skip the next one here.
Like you are rare, baby, don't go now. Only pull up and cheer me, yalla. No man a look you up, me no in on the race. So, yeah, no matter what you do, must have to get less. Coulda run till you run right out of the place. You know, still happening and you take your beat up.
If I never feel you in my love,
Big up the girl 'cause she please me.
if I never feel your tender kiss again,
Body and shape she have a taste me.
if I never hear I love you now,
Big up the girl 'cause she please me.
will I never make love to you once again? Please understand if love, yeah. Then I promise you, girl, I promise you that I should never leave you again.
Me man make me see you and if you was a fuck.
Big up all of the people on local side right now. Can go to your favorite fish vendor and get some fresh seafood, you understand? Yeah? You understand? Big up to the people who are steam up some fish for the season, some conch, you know, some lobster and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, big up to all of the people who are going to have that little seafood spread there. Big up to all of the people who say, you know, vegetarian to them things. So, you know, say, some chickpeas and them thing there and them thing there and them thing there. I don't know all of them thing there because I don't eat them thing there. You understand? I forgot to link my brother Jordan for him tell me about them thing there. You understand? Big up to the lady Kerry who is awake and up on the live right here now. You understand? Big up yourself. Yeah. And big up to the people who say hammer, who say Trenton, who say pork. After them on the table tomorrow for the Christmas spread. You understand? Big up the eye themselves. Just make sure say Everything in moderation. Don't overdo it. And big up to all of the people who want to step up bossy and clean for the Christmas party, whichever Christmas party I attend. Or on Thursday, I'll be playing Pier 1. So Boxing Day, I'll be at Pier 1. Yeah. So anybody who there on the island, anybody who there in a jam down, anybody who there at Montego Bay in particular, you know, so you can forward out, support me, listen to some good music, spend our money, you understand? And yeah, just full joy the season and the vacation. So big up everybody who has step out clean.
This is not X-rated, but don't find something we have to exaggerate.
What wickedness going in the morning, Kerry? Shout out to Melissa. Where is it? It's raining where you are? Yeah, little drizzle going down here, so too.
a big, big, big party show.
That if you know, certain girl a go a nice but she low. Me and me friend them don't flap the show.
She get used like a old underwear. She a big, big, big party show.
Sing along, stop. Give me the girl, let me do it, give the slum. The kind of girl when no feel love up, she man. Man, if you want to get the medal, you want to get a slum from a real ghetto girl again. Give me the girl, let me do it, give the slum. The kind of girl when no feel slum, make the girl them get crazy. Want to get the medal, you want to get a slum from a real ghetto girl. Loving is a thing where everybody won't get. Some can't perform, so them getting upset. Woman, if you don't want your husband fi straight, I feel of Islam, then fi make the man stay. Cause I know if I know but not suppose. Woman fi know them position and pose. Girl, it don't matter about your money or your pride. Man, I don't want the wickedest ride. It don't matter if you're rich or you're poor. Cause every man want the best girl fi bore. Then if I you, girl, who hold up your hand? Who want the wickedest slam?
I would like to be the only in your life. I want to be the only man. Real quality time and affection. Good morning. Night and day.
Emotions and slam.
Sing along. I would like to be the only in your life. I want to be the only man. Real quality time and affection. One man can run all that combination. All she a look, she no see the miss a man. Tear up resume, burn up application. One look she take, and me fit the position. No matter who in a the way, run away the little man. Would you want this long for rock you all night long? Oh man, I say trouble to all me at the bubble. Something must be wrong. Not true, no me no have no. Juggle me a juggle, still can't hold my hand. And can't hold your girl. You gotta lead her just your sight and your image and murder them for you. Can't stop your girl. You gotta lead her just your sight and your image and slaughter them. Woman, for your heart, me a free ball out, yes indeed. What a pretty fruit tree, you wanna who sow the seed. Need a personality and them, yes indeed. Clean cut, well brought up and consumed by greed. Woman, where you find the gear, girl, where you get the speed. Them can't hold you know. You gotta lead her just your sight and your image and slaughter them breed. Can't stop you know. You gotta lead her just your sight and your image and your They all walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of money, girl, tell me where you get it from. Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, me have the thing where you are weapon. Walk like a champion, talk like a champion.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Knock on your entrance, ram pa pa pam pam. Can't let me in, why? But you would be more than dead to take your hand and lead you to the promised land. Me 20-foot diamond, all you got to do is be true, so let's go respond. Satisfy your emotion, hotter for the press, instantly she bust. She no old and tough and she no got time no rust. Things smooth and precious like she never get a cut. Pants on to expand, I've got to all and pull up. Giddy up me, I forget you is a mouse. Think I walk like a champion, talk like a champion. What a piece of body can tell me where you get it from. That's why no entrance, that's how they carry on the can let me in me everything.
Under the great moonlight, we all come together as one. Taking in the music in the cool night sky. Everyone is having fun. Say you forget your troubles, just reggae music on your mind. Dancing till the morning comes, some are drinking champagne and wine. So we know why no bad feeling. You know the dance all tonight. No longer we know why no fussing or fighting. Let everything be alright.
That I'm moving up the line, and all the time for look behind me. Just a head to the top until victory is mine. Moving up the line, and all the time for look behind me. Just a head to the top and tell them this, that we're living in a world full of struggle and strife, where the weak fade away, but the strong will survive. Sufferation and oppression, the inner way eyes every day. Have to struggle if me want to stay. Musically, pick up the Bible, cause Psalm 75 verses will make me open me. I realize that one star got down, the next one I rise. So me now give up, me keep me eye on the prize and moving up the line. Now go look behind me, just a head to the top and shoot is mine. Moving up the line, now the time for look behind me, just a head to the top and tell them the music of the beat of the ghetto. Me no matter what you want, say Beanie Man say so. Music of the beat of we are to not know about the music, please no matter talk. I sing to the kind piece of Beanie Man trot. I am Moses in the mic is my rod. God send me here to do a lyrical job. We clean up the business, ice up if like bad-minded people, them no want me do me job. Won't you be in you soap and rub? How white people gloves and the bed people love. But education our beanie men have it on the beat and the ghetto me no matter where you are. Say beanie man say so. Music at the beat of the heart. Who no know the music please don't bother talk to music. It is a liberty feature and every DJ will live in our country. Bad-minded people don't like to see me. Do we get big and we a make money? What happened to the days when we never have any? Don't you never know say we don't have nobody? Now we have to buy house and put up our mommy. Sister and brother, all of them are dead for hungry. No being man and make me crisp reality. That's why me sing this music at the beat. And the ghetto me no matter where you are. Say man say so. Music at the beat of the heart. Who no know about music please? No matter talk, what you talk. When I scream and I boogie down on the dance floor, I artist select a few more. Come punching when you hear a shot bust for sure. Because the place will up a hardcore. Man a woman a fun. Good morning. Enough mouth get fed and gun off the store. How the hell if you call this night when a music make no skull no more? Ask them, have you ever take a track song and rate down? Fear all classic sound and boogie down. The same people politics separate music make them all gather around. Well, you know see this dance all business gone to zero. Over here, dance on in the business done disco. Over there, more king champions so no to road. They have play with the most no more hero. Over there, hey, I love the vibes where you bring. I love the vibes, love the levels, everything. I love the vibes where you bring. Cannot teach it, I visualize everything. Well, I spat you out from a far distance. Them I run them out, but me don't dispense. I take you out if you give me that chance. I will take you to a reggae-matical dance. I know you're ready when you give me that glance. I also steady coming in advance. They mark you credit for that performance. Give me true love, no one, no romance. I love the vibes of your brain. I love the vibes, love the levels, everything. I love the vibes of your brain. Cannot teach it, no visualize everything.
Rise me up this morning, give thanks to see the rising sun.
Good morning.
And even when it's dawning, give thanks to see the day is done. Cause the time is so perilous, mankind is so dangerous. In this time you don't know who to trust, no. But it's so easy to give thanks and praise to Jah every day, oh yes. It's so easy to give thanks and praise to Jah every day.
I feel the vibes. Lord knows it feels right. We can feel Jah love, boy, flowing amongst mankind. Give thanks for sweet reggae music and this positive vibe. Reggae music send a positive charge to the hearts of mankind. Reggae bring back love in the hearts of the people. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh Lord, reggae bring back love in the hearts of the ghetto. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Stand up straight, Ethiopians, help I turn down Babylon gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help I turn down Babylon gates now. Judy gang said they bend down low. They thought that's how it go. So a lot of them don't touch them toe. Never knew that it was a trick. Babylon was plotting to it. Babylon start lash them with big stick. Them jump up quick, but through the powers of the Most High Jah, I and I will get over. Chant no love, let's suck vampire. And stand up straight, Ethiopians, help I chant on Babylon gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help I chant on Babylon gate. All the people
fantasizing without realizing the whole wide world is in a mess. Lord of mercy, the whole wide world is in a mess. What a stress. Stand up straight, Ethiopians, help fight on down Babylon Gate. Stand up straight now, Ethiopians, help fight on down Babylon Gate.
So you know, on a Tuesday we take the music back. Yes, music of yesteryear. And on the 24th day in the month of December, Christmas Eve, it's no different. Gotta send a big shout out to all the folks checked in. All the folks over upon the Facebook Live. Like the way I go on with over here, some Roddy G, I love this one. This one would be nice with some porridge and dumpling. What you talk about now, lady? Boy, Jano, me can't keep up with all like comments over here, so you know. A whole other conversation I go on over Facebook where no really include me just among the Facebook people, but pick up on yourself. I'm glad that you're enjoying the holidays, that you're in good spirits, and that you're tuned in. Listening some good selections, ready for the road. Yeah, for all the folks over here upon TikTok, meeting me for the first time, I'm DJ Roddy G, big up there himself. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the follows. Yeah. Big up to Lady Kerry. Hey, I've got promoted to moderator, you know. Yes, I try to figure out what I go on Facebook. One I go on with over here, so. I got to say good morning to Primrose Smith. Yeah. Just need to make it a delivery morning. I'll take a small bowl and 2 fried dumpling. What kind of fried dumpling argument I go on over here, so? A whole heap of fried dumpling talk I go on over here, so. Who started? I must lie they started, you know. See there, that me I tell you. I lie they started. I tell kid for ride a bicycle forward with some cornmeal porridge. What a brother wicked. And him say it snow, you know. Keith him no mean you no good. Him don't listen, Keith, let me tell you a lie, they no mean you no good. Him want you ride a bicycle and but then again him could not look out for your safety still. Probably safer for ride than drive still. Now them snow condition there. Big up to Selector Flames as well. Yeah man. Respect, you been keeping alive active all morning. Big up yourself, respect and thanks to that. Yeah, coming like I'm a brother, somebody me know. I must somebody me know, you know. Them ratings I just can't tell, so you must know me from somewhere. Big up yourself. If you don't know me from nowhere, big up yourself even more. You understand? Yeah. Watch us so. Alright. Sparky Melody there up on the check-in. Big up yourself, Sparky. Glad to see my brethren. How's the weather over there in the UK? You lie there, ball out about snow. I think Simonees is experiencing similar conditions. Simonees, snow conditions over in Canada. Or go over there. Better than there, so in the Caribbean. Antigua, I'm saying, no. Antigua, nice right now. Just a little overcast. But good weather. Up and up. Yeah. And Melissa, she's up in Trelawney. She a burn a fire. She has a rain conditions, but it good same way. Let's go and bounce the tune them. So let me do that now, 8:30 your time. Or this might be an abbreviated version too, because I have to do that little road something there. So yeah. I'm going to just go and hold a vibe. See what transpire.
Now this one is a special dedication to all the man living in Rikers Island. Kokoti and now the ranking man. Now Kokoti, come sing out.
The first time the youth come on New York, them telling you you must skylark. The first time the youth come on New York.
Now this one is a special dedication to all the man living in Rikers Island.
Like, what the first thing you do when you drop a New York? What you do when you drop a New York?
The first time the youth come on New York, them telling you you mustn't skylark. Learn a trade or go to school, and don't you turn yourself in a fool. But now him gone a Rikers Island, he never want go a Rikers Island.
Me me, no like Rockers Island. Come now, me, no like Rockers Island. Come now, me, no like Rockers Island. No fun, hit the Rockers Island, no for the first time. And look on them sneakers, no one said that a mine. And a boy round a back and them a watch you behind. But if a boy try a thing, you know him a go get blind. And the man them in Rasta know them no kind. Me talking to the youth, them know up on the front line. Go look at 9 to 5 and everything will be fine. That's why me, no like Rockers Island. Come now, me, no like Rockers Island. You hear? Me, no like Rockers Island. Come now, me, no like Rockers Island. Come now.
Now him gone a Rockers Island. Him never want go a Rockers Island. But now him gone a Rockers Island.
For the first place you go and me say at the precinct. And after that you gonna central booking. And at the sort them do all of the fingerprinting, interrogating and the picture taking. As you go through the gate you look up in the ceiling. And I write this so now you get all the bad feeling. And you start to fall and you start to crying. And a little after that you know a pure suffering. That's suffering, that's suffering.
Don't do all of the girl I deal with advertisement. I show you say you work excellent. So all a piece of from me every time you turn a rubber man. All this, Lord of mercy. Because they nowadays girls, them no stop advertise, no stop advertise, no stop advertise. They nowadays girls, them no stop advertise. So they don't say them ya young girl wise. Me say they nowadays girls, them no stop advertise, no stop advertise, no stop advertise. They nowadays girls, them no stop advertise. So me don't say them ya young girl wise. Up your advertisement, up your advertisement. So me know say them ya young girl excellent. Up your advertisement, up your advertisement. So me know say them ya young girl excellent. Cause they nowadays girls, them well civilized. Me say them know what to wear just to attract the guys. You see them on the street and them no stop advertise. Them ability, potential, height and size. Big broad hips and sexy eyes. And some little short skirt to show them legs and thighs. And them always a come, me say in a disguise. And have all the man them well hypnotized. Cause the girl them no stop advertise. They nowadays girls them no stop advertise. They nowadays girls them no stop advertise. And so they know them why. Man see love is lovely, and man see war is kinda ugly. So girl you know you should love me, come love you and that is true. Watch me now, love you like a fresh vegetable. So tell me if you love Tony Rebel. They love you like a fresh vegetable. So tell me if you love Tony Rebel. Because you want to let me Romeo and me say don't love lady to and we a want go. And I love you girl and me can't get over to. So make me tell you something where you want to know. Love you like vegetable. So tell me if you love Tony Rebel. And I love you like a fresh vegetable. So tell me if you love Tony Rebel. Watch me now so. If it is no I see don't say so. But if it is yes I want you say it the best. And never forget that you will never regret. Cause my love in Rasta don't want the best.
The first time I met you, I couldn't forget you. Girl, I know I really had to get you. The first time I met you, I couldn't forget you. Girl, I know I really had to get you. I saw you down the lane, girl. Whoa, I never called out your name, girl. Whoa, but I know, girl. Well, I'd like to see you again, girl.
You're mine, and we belong together. Yes, we belong together for eternity.
Ooh, the shape of me. And would you believe I have lost the race again? But I'm coming again, cause I just gotta get in. Cause I'm trying to get to you, to you, to you. Hey little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch. Good morning, baby.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Hey little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch. Oh baby, the dress you wear, your
Simon is sharing with us that the weather so far has been testing, to put it mildly. 2 days of minus 24 degrees over there in Canada. Then came the snow. Better than saying would have dead. I think he would have survived. No serious weather conditions that. That's why we gotta send you some warmth in the morning, Simonese. Yeah, man. See a little thing on TikTok the other day. Woman I show you how much layers of clothes she have on. And I said, no, sir. Struggle is real. Light it. Yes, I. Also see that Winston Paddy is on the check-in. Good morning to you, sir. Glad to have you. Yeah, man. Remembering not the ranks. All right, so we continue with the juggling. Twin spin from the Singing Razor. All right.
Say you love me, baby, and we should be together, but you just drive me crazy. Now that we are together, I can't wait till the morning comes. Oh girl, and I can't wait till the evening's done. Alright, you call me on the telephone. Oh girl, and tell me you're coming home. Now that we're together, we'll change the stormy weather and cherish every moment that we should be together. It's so long we've been in love. Oh girl, and you left me here so all alone. Yeah, now you're here, I won't let you go. We'll forever let this feeling flow. You're not alone. I know it's gonna hurt your heart again, and this I know. Yes, yes, yes. You can count on me. I'll be there as your friend. To give it all you got. Don't cry, 'cause it's over now. Don't sigh, things are better now. I will give you everything you need. Good morning. Give it a try. I'll make it up to you. Give it a try. I'll prove this world wrong. Give it a try. I'll prove this world to you. I'll teach this world a lesson, and we'll never let you fall.
We knew it was 1 in a million. This is such a long shot. Somehow we've got here together. Who knows what will happen? Anything can happen. We're getting better, and we keep on believing. When you put your heart in it, it can take you anywhere. Who's to say that we can't make it? It's the same thing that we share. When you put your heart in it, it can take you anywhere.
No New Year's Day to celebrate. No chocolate covered candy hearts to give away. No first of spring, no songs to sing. In fact, it's just another ordinary day. No April rain, no flowers bloom, yeah. No wedding Saturdays
I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
Hear this. Wanna better can wine, wine. American girls, some girl wine. Now all the girls must can wine for them on all time. If you can't wine, you lose them down the line. I'm a girl psychiatrist. All girls, hear this. Wanna better can wine, wine. American girls, some wine, wine. English girls, some wine, wine. Canadian girls, some wine, wine, wine.
Simonies, I think Shabba just called your name. Where's Patricia? I think Shabba Ranks just called your name. Christine, Ava, Shabba call your name.
All the girls must can wine for them on all time. If you can't wine, you lose them.
If your name call, you need for answer.
Psychiatrist.
You need for answer.
Hear this. Wanna better can wine, wine. American girls, some wine, wine. English girls, some girl wine. All the girls must can wine for them on all time. If you can't wine, you lose them down the line. I'm a girl psychiatrist. All girls, hear this. Wanna better can wine, wine. American girls, some American girls, some American girls, some American girls, some wine, wine. American girls, some wine, wine.
Need to see the American girls representing.
Wine, wine. American girls, some
Hands up from the American girls.
American girls, some wine, wine.
Hands up from the American girls.
Wine, wine.
On TikTok, hands up from the American girls.
Wine. American girls, some wine.
Hands up, me a look.
American girls, some wine, wine. American
Hold on there, Simonies, we not reach here yet.
girls, some wine, wine.
Over on Facebook, the American girls.
Wine. American girls, some wine.
Want to see the American girls them on right now.
Some wine, wine. American girls, some wine, wine. American girls, some wine, wine.
Alright, no American not there.
Girls, some wine.
Alright, make we move again.
American girls, some wine, wine. English girls, some wine.
Alright, England no there.
Can English girls, some wine, wine.
Let me see the England on them.
Girls, some wine, wine. Can English girls, some wine, wine.
Where are the English?
English girls, some wine, wine.
Where are the British?
English girls, some wine, wine. Can English girls, some wine, wine. Can English
No English, no British.
wine. Can English girls, some
No British.
wine. Can English
Alright, next continent.
Can English girls, come wine, wine. Canadian girls, come wine.
Simone, it's your time.
Canadian girls, come wine, wine. Canadian girls, come wine, wine. Canadian girls, come wine, wine. Canadian.
I have to mention the yard of them, you know.
Canadian girls, come wine, wine. Canadian.
Alright, Christina represent.
Wine.
Christina, Canada, you there? Alright, no problem.
Canadian girls, come wine, wine. Canadian girls, come wine, wine. Jamaican girls can wine, wine. True wine. You remember this? Eagle eye pig. You remember this? You remember this? Jump around if your man can walk. You remember this? A man want to make him pay down for this. So girl, wine, wine. American girls come wine, wine. English girls come wine, wine. Canadian girls come wine, wine. Whiny, whiny. Whiny, whiny. Whiny, whiny. Too much. Here we don't start.
Now when me was a little boy, my favorite ring game was this.
You know, say Shabba Rank sing that song, I'm going to tell you a true story. Shabba Rank saying favorite ring game was in Peeny Peeny Payo. Well, alright. You remember the ring game there? Peeny Peeny Payo. Well, my favorite ring game was send me Nicky go school, Mr. Salaman, Nicky gone, a man yard. Anything the man say do, Nicky do. Why Nicky wine? Hey! You remember the ring game there? Who remember that? You see the ring game there? We'd have to play it around at the back of schoolyard in a private. That's how I mean about grade 3 to about grade 5. You see, when we reach grade 6 and things, so we have big picnic, we can play them game out in the front of the schoolyard. Cold sweat take me. Nervousness take me. Because we out there, why Nicky, wine. Joke, Nicky, joke. And then the principal just come at the school door. Jesus, peace me, the wall the earth open up and take me. What if the principal go tell my mother say me out there play wine, Nicky, wine? Joke, Nicky, joke. No, sir. That day they staying in my brain. No, true thing. True thing. There was just some things that as a child, no matter how you feel like you're big, you just know say your parents can't catch you do it. Them pick me, I don't know nothing about that. Them pick me a brazen. Then cuss bad word in front of big people. It would have bad. I know somebody for them that play wine, nickel, wine. But I don't play them, I play. I do them, I do it. I turn porn star from them at 13. I'm proud of my upbringing. I'm not ashamed of the things we used to do as a picnic. Those were so innocent and clean compared to what them picnic I do now. I feel like a saint when me compare how me grow and what me go on with as a youth to what them youth I do, you know. Yes, Sparky. Cold sweat wash me because one, the principal catch me, and two, me don't know what the principal are going to do about it. Me don't know if my mother got hear me out the door and play wine, Nicky, joke. Me don't know. But anyway, they are play some music. Shabba, what you say about Peeny?
Give me all this on. Whiny. Too much. Give me no star. In Jamaica there's a party. Peeny boy, you come down and get a little man and whine it boy, you. In Jamaica there's a party. Peeny boy, you come down and get a little man and whine it boy, you. Woman a soca, woman a rumba, woman a cha-cha-cha. Come down with still and powder house, them get up in a temper. No Jamaican girls are music lover. If a music them wanna set them soul on fire. Cause in Jamaica there's a party. Peeny boy, you come down and get a little man and whine it boy, you. In Jamaica there's a party. Peeny boy, you come down and get a little man and whine it. Hear it? It name Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba. Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba. Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba. This a one you call the original. This a one you call the original. Come in and dance and go like you want to know you get. Trouble chuck and leave us just know you get. Chop and the ground you drop to the book. Look and chuck and leave us just look you up. Look and digital and just look you up. Look when me go a dance we reach your holy. Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba. Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba, Buddha Baba.
I'm on the low on some side,
and I'm looking for the girl that's true.
right next to the lonely man of day.
Good morning.
So mama tell me, Papa tell me too, what I'm to do. Yes, I said what I'm to do.
Chill out, my lord.
On the low on some side of you.
And I'm looking for the girl that's true.
Right next to the lonely man hotel. So mama tell me, Papa tell me too, what I'm to do. I said what I'm to do.
Come on, team, me don't know about you, but I this brother Benz I go do. Straight those chains and lift that spell. Call me off to check out and it's a heartbreak hotel. Living alone is like living in hell. Now it's all about me and me angel. So me I go get myself together, me I go step through the door. I go left this place, me not stay here no more. I have to get some love cause it out there galore. And any your loving was money strong and I got them poor. Not a mercy. Not a mercy. Not a mercy. I need to make a special call on the telephone.
And when me call, me can't get no dial tone. None of mercy, me this by me house a love zone. Anyway, hey, excuse pass me cellular phone. Make me call Antoinette Simone. Hey, tell them to move a muscle, I'm coming home to take a trip down in all them love zone. Hey.
Roddy G is your morning man.
None of mercy, I need to make a special call and need the telephone. And when me call, me can't get no dial tone. None of mercy, me this by me house a love zone. Anyway, hey, excuse pass me cellular phone. Make me call Antoinette Simone. Hey, tell them to move a muscle, I'm coming home to take a trip down in all them love zone. Hey, y'all have to ball and scream and moan. Me start drink the old tiger bone. We use brush with shoes and fling with stone. So tell them and them leave that alone. Drink up the Guinness, smoke up the chronic. Y'all start to ball, me give them the tonic. Y'all get the performance and then astonish. And I hold me tight and I tell me she panic. Well, and I want loving and them want the romance. And if you no give them gonna get the vengeance. And I'm in me bed them on a love sentence. You see the big bamboo and me they block them entrance. And I'm want a man you know me they are instant. And I'm so love me man no one and not a substance. Excellent and talented me do unbalance. Why not jump off like the guy Jack Balance? Girl, and I'm shot if you break feel light up your lamp. Hung on the water before in your tongue. When the heat start, the girl a search the island. A scream and a ball said the belly bottom cramp. Me have the center to call the ambulance. Me are the only soldier way in our camp, girl. For Miss love me don't ramp. Well, big and fat weigh 500 pound. Well, the killer gonna break it down. Lord, the girl bring the whole of country come a town. I say she want fi wear killer crown, but girl a ball hell just like them a drone. When me start select them sound. The man says no name, Africa alone. And me this my house a love zone. Me sing, girl want me cellular number. Them want the performance and the piece of lumber. And the ingredients cause them love the flavor. And most of all me bedroom behavior. Again, girl want me cellular number. Them want the performance and the piece of lumber. And the ingredients cause them love the flavor. And most of all me bedroom behavior. So, can you do me a favor? Little punk where you want to believe ya. Keep on the boy and take away him visa. Girl you want a man and you no want a monster. You no want no man shell, you no want no creature. Girl fi get loving from a bedroom teacher. Them no want no beat and no big time heater. Sometimes me tell them and the girl them me feature. She's a messy no Rita, the girl chiquitita. Girl fi get loving I'm a true believer. Again, them want me cellular number. Them want the performance and the piece of lumber.
You know, every time I play that song, I wonder if somebody did in the studio lick Frankie P with a piece of board. Why the man just did that? Ow, ow. Why the man just something there? But somebody that beat him or something. Here ya. Ow, ow. And the beat now get faster.
Ow, 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 ow.
Why them that beat Frankie in the studio? What really go on? When the ball out Felix so?
I ain't much old Casanova.
Roddy G is your morning man.
I ain't much old Casanova. Me and Romeo and Helen and friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again. I ain't much too serious, and I don't wanna let you down.
lips are close to mine, we last forever. Forever till the end of time. Oh, time.
My love is to the end of time.
One night my son was in a contest. We lick another song, boy, them have to confess. Hear a voice shout, who's there? And this is what I hear. Ooh, ain't nobody here but a champion sound. Ain't nobody here but a
Roddy G,
so
baby.
calm yourself and stop that fuss. You're kicking up enough for those. Hey, Jano, my sound is a champion sound. In all other sound, them a come around. Tomorrow is a busy day. We got things to do, we got dub to play. We got a sound to kill and a contest to win. That's why they got to crown us a king.
We call it respect, Joe. We call it respect, Joe. Man, as a courtesy, that carry you through. Respect, Joe. We call it respect, Joe. Come on, man, as a courtesy, that carry you through. No matter, bend up your face and go like you was school. In your waist, you know fit chuck no toe. Police hold you and your eye black and blue. Say that they twitch him just passing through. And enough for manners and enough respect. Respect, Joe. We call it respect, Joe. Manners and courtesy and that carry you through. Say all day and thank you don't broke no spear. Say all day and thank you don't broke no spear.
Jump up, everybody jump up, everybody jump up, everybody jump up. Because we don't panic, we done with the side and wine. We can't take it, kick it, cock out bottom. We don't love it, them a whole style. Come catch it, ladies and jump up.
Okay, so this tiger is new brand. I know you will love this one. Keep it in the head top on a firm meditation. Come now. Tiger in the presence of bam bam. Hey, hold on the mic it's a bam bam. Hey, go on the stage it's a bam bam. Sure, some in the vocals and some in the time man. Sometimes the door marks do not slam. Both to the tiger man the dance get rum. So to the tiger man the dance get rum. No, as she go on me want a rum you man. But she go on me want a rum and me like a girl on them call her palm. She don't busy she have to come dance wrong. You know I go in the presence of bam bam. Hold pon the mic is a bam bam. Roll on me yard, practice and rehearsing. You're telling people I'm power reversing. Knowing these and that but I'm slanging and cursing. Come me, no. Roll on me yard, practice and rehearsing. You're telling
Roddy G is your morning man.
these and that but I'm slanging and cursing. Come me, no. Bombastic, me come bombastic. Yes, daddy tiger come bombastic. Bombastic, me come bombastic. Bigger than Jumbo and gigantic. So pick up your pinky, pick up your grip, and go hold a trip. Pick up your thinking, pick up your grip, and go hold a trip. Fly from plane, you go up on a ship. Fly from plane, you go up on a trip. Cause this is not the tiger, the music is sick. Me subject wrong, me must get lit. So me subject is right, me teacher give me this, so I'm bombastic, bombastic. Let's go the tiger, bombastic. Now anything me sound, you know it's realistic.
Darling, why do I get butterflies every time I'm kissing you? When you hold me tight and close your eyes, do you get the butterflies too?
Lord, me I wonder which one of them she love, which one of them she love, which one of them she love. Me I wonder which one of them she love. If I home tea and the one cocotte, one thing for sure they two and them crazy because they're in love with the same lady. One shy, one get butterfly.
I wasn't expecting this, falling in love this way. From out of the blues, you stole my heart. You aim and shot a throw, and every day I'm praying. Every day I'm praying we'll never part. Good morning, yeah.
like you.
Roddy G
You must be
is your
Cupid
morning man.
in disguise. I never slip a chance. All it took was a simple yes.
Hey, good morning to Lady Ava over here on TikTok.
Your eyes, bullseye.
Why I don't know if you compliment me too soon enough.
In the eyes with your
Because I'm gonna drop an next tune, you know. I don't know if you can relate. I don't know if you'll be able to relate.
Increase my wisdom, understanding, and my knowledge. Not a mercy. Just gotta say, because a man called Kochi. Don't jump in on the dodgy. Not a mercy. Hey.
I don't know if Ava can relate. Ava said, good morning, Roddy. This is Ava, my kind of music. Whether they are play some tunes from yesteryear because it's a take it to them, take it back tunes there, you know. Yes, I am. So we're there. Raphael, big up yourself, you know. You understand? Big up to everybody over here so on TikTok at check-in. Big up to over here so to everybody on all of the other platforms. Them people over here, so please help me grow the Twitch, help me grow the Mixcloud. You understand? And the YouTube channel, just find me using at DJ RODDYG, the same handle you use over here, so, and the same handle you use over there, so yeah, we have a next camera over there, so I give the people a different view. So if you want to see that view there, you can just go over to them platform there, Twitch, Mixcloud, YouTube, you understand? And yeah, support the thing same way. Big up to the people over here, so let me see who has to play the ganja tune, you know. Let me see. Better, you know, say you want like a weed baby. No, better than I want like a weed baby, you know. See there, from better than here marijuana, you know, a straight fire, I'm fine, you know. You understand? Already ready for light up, you know. Hey, big up yourself, my brethren. Yeah, man, all right, play the tune and stop it chatting.
I just gotta say, smoke your ganja. It give me a good sense of humor, none of mercy, and keep away from the cancer, none of mercy. I just gotta say, I got my ganja diploma. I went to the ganja college, none of mercy. Increase my wisdom, understanding, and my knowledge, none of mercy. Just gotta say, because a man called Kochi, ganja feel with dodgy. None of mercy, hey, smoke your herb, keep down some praise. It make we think constructive and brave, because it was born on King Solomon grave. He was the wisest man in his days. Oh, I'm serious, me nah make no joke. Ganja me smoke and not coke. I will never drink them rum and me nah eat pork. I go sailing on this white man boat. I have Rizla already on me the chronic. Me have some preserve, but I wanna make tonic. Crack and the coke, all those things must abolish. Peter touch bun chalice in a Buckingham Palace. Me say, ganja man me come to congratulate. And with no coke, we not go collaborate. When them a demonstrate, or when them a portray. Some a illustrate when them a contaminate. The younger youths, them mind for them this white calcate. Then them I put in my and do less of walk straight. Right out, I want to Mount Zion I gate. Make it while the sunshine, don't be too late. Good things in a life, the killer a penetrate. And can just message it what we come to dedicate. Youth, no make your life go to waste. Hey, none of mercy, increase my wisdom, understanding, and my knowledge.
No, all Kerry gets so happy.
Just gotta say, because
all Kerry gets so happy. Well, all of them smiley faces about.
None of mercy, hey, smoke your herb, keep down some praise. It make we think constructive and brave, because it was born on King Solomon grave. He was the wisest man in his days. Oh, I'm serious, me nah make no joke. Ganja me smoke and not coke. I will never drink them rum and me nah eat pork. I go sailing on this white man boat. I have Rizla already on me the chronic. Me have some preserve, but I wanna make tonic. Crack and the coke, all those things must abolish. Peter touch bun chalice in a Buckingham Palace. Me say, ganja man me come to congratulate. And with no coke, we not go collaborate. When them a demonstrate, or when them a portray. Some a illustrate when them a contaminate. The younger youths, them mind for them this white calcate. Then them I put in my and do less of walk straight. Right out, I want to Mount Zion I gate. Make it while the sunshine, don't be too late. Good things in a life, the killer a penetrate. And can just message it what we come to dedicate. Youth, no make your life go to waste. Hey, smoke your herb, keep down some praise. It make me think constructive and brave, because it was born on King Solomon grave. He was the wisest man in his days. Oh, I'm serious, me nah make no joke. Ganja me smoke and not coke. I will never drink them rum and me nah eat pork. I go sailing on this white man boat. I have Rizla already on me the chronic. Me have some preserve, but I wanna make tonic. Crack and Buckingham Palace. Me say.
Now this is a special dedication for you.
Yo, first now you want to be not a mercy.
The man them in a club, the people in a club. Them just I do the rubber ducks. The butcher and the baker and the candlestick maker. The dress maker, the nurse and the green precious. True need to the demon sound.
Roddy G, baby.
True need to the rubber duck sound. Alright.
Well, taking the sound your bass and taking the sound your treble, everything beat through sound balance and well level. Popping a guava and all the bass miserable. So and them your sound run down 7 to 7. Select a same what like Jalawas. And when them come in, them start twist like a parrot. If you drop up in your coulda hear to the dance quiet. All in mid-range seems as if it a riot. When them start there, you know me not hear no higher. The bass line sound like say the Pantaya. All I coulda hear from the crowd is a wada. The first tune me play and them red like Goliath. The bass start tremble like he never eat carrot. Well, this is a warning to all your sound idiots.
Why won't you tune in to the rubber dub sound?
Why a big sound a place?
The man them in a club, the people in a club.
Oh, your sound sound.
I just see rubber dub. The butcher and the baker and the candlestick maker. The dress maker, the nurse and the green precious.
Here comes the musical thing called Bring Your Queen and Lock Your Machine. Oh yeah. Here comes the musical thing called Bring Your Queen and Lock Your Machine. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Now we have been the rules, little bit we have been the rules.
I love the vibes, I know the rhythm I try. But me not coming at the dance and strive.
Music is all we got. Now we must defend it.
Dance on. No need no war. Man and woman apart.
Everyone is a star.
Like King Alpha and Mama Miga.
Dance on. The people's church.
Yes, it's where everyone's gathering.
Need no bothering.
I just love. So everyone
must come together.
Everyone.
Join in together.
Everyone.
Music forever.
The sweetest relief, God's all sweet.
God's all sweet.
God's all sweet.
God's all sweet. I love the vibes and how the girls them dress, yes.
And everyone to come express themselves.
Them dress to impress.
One black love, one Africanness. Well, I say pull up, set a lift it from the top. The music sound is sweet, but check the message. In come musical thing, I bring your queen and lock your Glock. And the truth and the not so chat.
Gotta say big shout out to my brother Jadan, Romy ambassador on the check-in. Now, I just read a message over on the YouTube chat, you understand? We always appreciate love when Bedan check in, you know. Because sometimes Bedan makes some comments where just bring my mind at some place. And this is one such comment. In the name of Peter Tosh, ganja is a bird from... What you say a while ago? In the name of Peter Tosh, ganja is a bird from Cuba. All right, no problem. I'm not really sure about that quote there. Look who is in on the check-in. Lorianne. Good morning to Long Belly. Glad to see you too. Season's greeting. It must be Christmas because, yeah, the gift that I get this morning, truly appreciate, love it. So big up to everybody who up on the live, whichever platform you are on. Big up behind themselves. Thank you so much for joining me this Christmas Eve edition of Roddy for the Road. But back to the Bedan argument now. You see, from Bedan said Tash name, and we have played some ganja tune. We have to big up one of the first most renowned advocate for the legalization of marijuana. So we have to just cut the rhythm and start from right and so. Dark truth. We can't represent for the healing of the nation, and we don't pay homage to the man who first go and wax, one of the most renowned advocates pan record, pan vinyl, a advocate for the what? Legalization of what? The herbs. Them call it what? They want to call it Cali, Mary Jane, or ganja.
Legalize it.
Don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah, yeah. And I will advertise it. Some call it tampy. Some call it the weed. Some call it marijuana. Yeah. Some of them call it ganja. Never mind, got to legalize it. And don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah, yeah. And I will advertise it.
You know, so just because I did the delay, why I know I forgot to take that one here from Star, cause Kerry said take it from Kerry, you wanted to advocate them for the herbs? You wanted to advocate them for the herbs? Alright, since you're an advocate for the herbs and you said take it from Star, I could do it then, no? But I see a mix up forward, you know. Just like give a twin spin. From the late great Peter Tosh.
Don't criticize it.
Clean sweep, mental sweep.
Legalize it, yeah.
For everyone who use marijuana responsibly.
I will advertise it. Some call it tampy. Some call it the weed. Some call it marijuana. Yeah. Some of them call it ganja. Never mind, got to legalize it. And don't criticize it.
Hey, big up Dennis Barney for on the check-in.
Legalize it, yeah, yeah. And I will advertise it. Singers smoking and players of instrument too. Legalize it, yeah, yeah. That's the best thing you can do.
Good morning.
Doctors smoking, nurses smoking, judges smoking.
Watch one carrier try program the juggling.
Even the law.
People carry over here, so I try program the juggling.
So you got to legalize it.
Let me teach you a thing.
Don't criticize.
Let me teach you a thing. You have a right idea, but watch me teach you a thing.
Legalize it, yeah, yeah. And I will advertise it.
Let me teach you a quick mix. Let me do this for you.
Pass the coach on the left hand side. Pass the coach on the left.
That's how you do it.
It a go put. It a go done. Jano. Pass the coach on the left hand side. Pass the coach on the left hand side. It a go put. It a go done. Jano. It was a cool and lovely breezy afternoon. You could feel it cause it was the month of June.
Carry a try program the juggling, but better teach her something.
Pass the Gucci on the left hand side. Pass the Gucci on the left hand side. It a go go. It a go go.
I don't smoke cigarettes, cause it will stop high breath. Yes, yeah. I don't sniff coke, cause it will make I choke. All I smoke is the real cushion pain. Cushion pain make I count from 1 till 10. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Boy, so pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Oh.
We lick the chalice, make the water go.
That's how you do it, alright?
Strictly high grade.
That's how you do it.
Don't be afraid. We lick the chalice, make the water go. He make bring us up, me make kick us. High grade.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Don't be afraid. We lick the chalice, make the.
Hey, big shout out to Mr. Williams.
He make bring us up, me make kick us. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs.
Oh God, but just remember something. We can't bend the rules a little bit. We can't bend the rules a little bit.
Give me the weedy, weedy, weed, weedy. Cut off the cigarette like half of the BD. Smoke the weed till we eyes them bleedy. Pass another couple load and give me. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Oh, no, make the chalice go. This Cumberland come from Central, Sensimina from Clarendon. The good skunk them say come from Westmoreland. Smoke the sensi help me sing a song so. Smoke the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs, the herbs. Oh, no, make the chalice go.
Hold on there. People, this is going to be a special moment because I'm going to play a song. That one I couldn't mix in. It couldn't mix in. It's a different tempo altogether. And when I play it, I'm going to stand up, I'm going to sit down, and I'm going to listen. And I'm going to wonder which song this road I play until it reach a certain part. So without further ado, let me just press play. No, this is something brand new. This is something brand new.
Anyway, I react to familia.
Want to recognize the tune yet? Who recognize the tune?
Talking about the good cannabis.
No, you don't need to tell me if you don't recognize the tune. You don't need to tell me if you don't recognize the tune. I don't want to play the tune if you don't know the tune. If you don't rate the tune, I don't want to play it. Because I love, hey, listen to me. The lady, every time the lady I go on TikTok, she shell it down. You understand? I don't see one, well, maybe because the other video them not go viral. But she have two wickedly viral video to her name right now because her singing style, her delivery just amazing. You understand? We are talking about Queen Omega. And this time, she in concert with Daddy Uri. And who? Chezzy Deck. So we could take it from start. We are bend the rules. We are dash for the rules this morning because when they are meditating, we are pre some good herbs. So Queen Omega, Daddy Uri, Chezzy Deck. Sing us tune like. Kerry know what I go on the good cannabis.
Anyway, I
I realize if I bill ya. Hey, early love, can't stop to it and kill ya. Can't stop on the farm and make the feel ya. Smuggle it on the land across the sea ya.
I talking about the good cannabis. She is the sweetest herb. Say we just can't resist. Good cannabis, number one for me chart and top of the list. It is the good cannabis. It brings an eye meditation and a wonderful bliss. Good cannabis.
I don't care who you are, I don't care where you're from. But this is how I think me say you got to understand. I'm original ganja man. If you want but if you better light up one. Yes, I'm original ganja man. Yes, you can smoke it any way that you want.
I relate to figure plan ganja. Cause any day when I plan way, I figure buy ganja. It better we sell more than buy ganja. Cause no chemical, no dep on my ganja. Upa Jerry in the wilderness, I dry ganja. Informer, they must buy your jar. Police, they capture, I fly over. Give them a try rap ganja. But I smoke synthetic, nor lap ganja.
Good cannabis, it is the sweetest herb. Similar to cannabis, it is the good cannabis, it is the good cannabis, it is the sweetest herb. Similar to cannabis, it is good cannabis. I ice on the split, I ice bring the cannabis,
My 18-year-old daughter went crazy when she heard me have this one, add this one to my library. She can sing it note for note, word for word. What she know about marijuana? Gotta say good morning to the lady Nia. Yeah, man, I'm a little special one that.
I talking about the good cannabis. She is the sweetest herb. Say we just can't resist. Good cannabis, number one for me chart and top of the list. It is the good cannabis. It brings an eye meditation and a wonderful bliss. Good cannabis.
I don't care who you are, I don't care where you're from. But this is how I think me say you got to understand. I'm original ganja man. If you want but if you better light up one. Yes, I'm original ganja man. Yes, you can smoke it any way that you want.
I relate to figure plan ganja. Cause any day when I plan way, I figure buy ganja. It better we sell more than buy ganja. Cause no chemical, no dep on my ganja. Upa Jerry in the wilderness, I dry ganja. Informer, they must buy your jar. Police, they capture, I fly over. Give them a try rap ganja. But I smoke synthetic, nor lap ganja.
It is the sweetest herb. Similar to cannabis, it is good cannabis. I ice on the split, I ice bring the ganja business. It's a good cannabis. We love the good cannabis. You say we love the good cannabis. We love the good cannabis.
chapter a day. Yes,
Roddy G is your morning man.
Chapter a day, keep the devil away. Behold the heavenly truths, yeah, 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 yeah. The works of His Majesty I done proclaim. Behold the Emperor, the works is perfect. To life. Behold the Emperor, yeah, yeah, now the works are beautiful down here in this church. It is so sufferation and thy people. Kings and lords of lords rise every day now. Rise and guide that people through this struggle, this struggle, this struggle. Kings of kings and lords of lords and conquerors. Hear them say, dreadlocks can't live in a tenement. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement.
He don't keep it his mouth, keep it his what?
Hear them say,
Jacob Killer Miller.
dreadlocks can't live in a.
I'm gonna take it back Tuesday.
Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah.
I gotta say good morning to Imar Shepherd. Respect for the check-in, brother.
Too much what you are. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much too much what you want to. Too much too much what you want to.
Wise words on the check-in. Wise words are taken from Start Youth.
Hear them say, dreadlocks can't live in a tenement. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much what you watch you. Too much what you watch you are. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement, yeah. Too much what you watch you. Too much what you watch you are. Dreadlocks can't live in privacy. Anything him do, all nigga see. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much Dreadlocks can smoke and pipe in peace. Too much informers and too much bees. Too much watchy, too much too much watchy, too much Dreadlocks can live in a tenement yard. Dreadlocks can't live in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Can't penetrate in a tenement yard. Just keep on knocking, knocking. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. Oh yeah. Love is a message that I must send to you. Waiting for reply, dear, no matter how long it takes. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. You keep on knocking, but you can't come in. You keep on knocking, but you can't.
So people don't get disappointed with me. I can't stay long in the Bob Marley selection. Them will ban me. Yeah, man, they will give me a copyright strike. So there's a little chance we just take and just touch some of the Bob. Do you understand? Yeah. So don't feel away. Don't feel like some no sense. I violate. You just can't stay too long with the Bob Marley tune them. Yeah, some serious restrictions upon them music. Do you understand? But we now no whole restriction upon D Brown music. Hey, sometimes them restriction hurt the artist more than help, you know. And just a record label I look out for themselves. Artists, I want to think about it, you know. I want to really think about it. When the DJ them can't play on the music on certain platform because the record label feel like say we are killing the sales. It really a kill for the music. I want to think about that. Anyway, juggle you out. Same thing, you see me talk about the rights and the thing them. People them over YouTube a ball. YouTube cut off the stream. YouTube cut off the stream. Never even realize how that go on, but me know still. Let me see if them bring it forward. Let me see if them bring it back. Look like them bring it forward. Yeah, then bring it back, you know. So people, at the side, them can't play certain Bob because of that go on. Yeah. So I hope it's back. People on YouTube, you back with me? I don't drop it. Just refresh. Yeah, man, just refresh and yeah, everything good again. Yeah, we can't play certain Bob, we can't play certain music. We know how that go. So my apologies, not even for tease it for 30 seconds. You see how them wicked? But artists, may I tell you, say, that's something that look like it hurt the artist more than it hurt me, the DJ, cause I can do without play certain music. But when me skip over your music, how you feel?
Yourself.
I could bend the rules again now. I could bend the rules a little bit.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul.
Come and think,
give it to me.
We have to drop 2 berries tonight juggling you know.
Give it to me. Don't stop.
Shami and there.
Don't stop. Don't
we have to drop in 2 from berries you know.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul. I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight. The way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. Oh no.
woman, you're nice. Smile on your face is like you're right upon my life. Girl, me can't wait to give you everything you like. Hope you from the day your Christmas sight. I guarantee that you'll be satisfied. Don't be afraid to break the rules. And to better things, so tell the little man to cool. I'm my lucky star, I can't believe I found a jewel. And them all ask what you wanna jewel. So make them know say that me have the tool.
The way you make me feel from deep down in my soul. I'm losing all control. Girl, I can't fight this feeling. It feels so right. Champagne and candlelight. The way you hold me tight. Girl, I can't fight this feeling.
Might as well I tell you by the thoughts that I've been hiding. Listen, all I hardly know where to start. Don't be offended if I tell you you're a hell of a kind of woman, and you do something special to my heart. I see you as a queen and a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Keep up as queen and lady. Keep the standard steady. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Last night was good. I felt you tired. Felt you close to me. They played your favorite song of mine. Night of melody. Like pumpkin and soup you glued to me. Slow embraced as one. From the moment I blessed eyes on you, I knew I'd be having fun. Can I have another date with you? And can we spend the whole night through? I'm so happy I've got tears in my eyes. I feel just like yesterday when little kids come out to play. You've rejuvenated the youth that's in me and make me feel like singing tra-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. Oh no, ooh-la-la-la, ooh-la-la-la-la.
When we first met, you were so sweet. Said you'd always be with me. Made me fall in love with you. Now you don't wanna follow through. Or is it all a lie? Just to feed your pride? Is it just a game you play? Well, I'm not made that way. I'm not a toy. I'm a woman. And I don't play those childish games. So go be a boy if you need to. I need a man who feels the same as I do. He's the same as I do. Want the same as I do. I want all of it. No obstruction. Shut up, sing a song. Loving me is not easy. Gotta do it right to keep me. If you're the man, then take a stand. Satisfy and please me. 'Cause when I'm on fire, my heart desires good love completely. Have slow, Roddy G, baby. To touch me in the right places, the right time that I want, that I need. Do you have slow hands to touch me in the right places, the right slam that I want, that I need? If I was to let you come through my door, then would it be hard for you to know what to do when I'm asking for more? 'Cause I need to know before I let you go. Tell me,
Now we have to let the Lady G.
do you have slow
Sounds of Chevelle Franklin.
to touch me
Alongside Lady G.
places, the right
Make Lady G drop her verse.
that I want, that I need? Do you have slow hands?
Two artists
My reputation, 'cause I am
who've left the secular world, now doing gospel music. Junior Tucker. Before him, you heard Chevelle Franklin. Born again Christians.
I'm ready to give all my love, 'cause you're one of a kind. I know you may have heard from someone else before that I'm the kind of guy who will break your heart, then walk right through the door. But that's how I used to be until you touched me. Now here stands a different man. You take the dog in me.
I don't care what your mama say, and I don't care what your papa do. It's all I've gotta give is love to no one else but you, yeah. Though it seems like a waste of time, but I'll search until I find what I've been searching for. Just gotta make you mine, 'cause baby I do believe that miracles come true. It's all up to you, and I know love will find a way. It happens every day. Baby I do believe that miracles come true. It's all up to you, and I know love will find a way. It happens every day.
I want you may not be familiar. They told the country road, but why them fighting Pennsylvania, making way for coke to come.
Good morning! What is going on? It's commotion.
Roddy G is your morning man.
I want you may not be familiar. They told the country road, but why them fighting Pennsylvania, making way for coke to come. Mashing up data only for someone one. You feel on me the fire, make a blaze it chill up. But you may not be familiar. We told the country road, look how them fighting Pennsylvania, making way for coke to come. Lord of mercy, only for someone one. You feel on me the fire, why? Driver, don't stop at all. What's the thing for it, see? Take back yourself and bring back yourself in one piece. Make sure you're real. Lord of mercy. Yeah. Lord of his mercy. Lord of mercy. Driver. Don't stop at all. Drop this Arizona round an Albemarle. Driver. Don't even itch. Collect a little food there and come back quick. Driver, just remember the damn speed limit. Cause if you're running the fence, my friend, that is it. I've got an Nextel phone and a singular chip. Any problem you can reach me on this. I pounds them and buy when a tons man a ship. Green like grass, brown like chocolate. FedEx and UPS I make several trip. I mean life savings and right on this. You can drink and beer but don't you near burn a split. Listen to the marijuana make your light uplift. Even though it compress and tie down in a plastic. Don't deliver it and going up drastic. A barrel gun me bust and me and you know we can't stick. Me want change me zinc and put up the chroma stick. Tired me sip Red Bull a straight hypnotic. So driver, me say don't stop at all. Drop this Arizona round an Albemarle. Driver, me say don't even itch. Collect a little food there and come back quick. Driver, just remember the damn speed limit. Cause if you're running the fence, my friend, that is it. I beat this man around me in and about now. Because my girl want wear Victoria's Secret dress. Some no love here so you feel put in pampas. Billy a informer with federal charge. Remember, don't care nobody on me yard. So watch me love and me no respect coward. I dep on a mission man hustling hard. Don't get to you through them and suffer and suffer and suffer.
Take me to the other side of town. Just as fast as you can. Taxi. Before my lady puts me down. I don't wanna lose her. Please don't you hurry. Can't you see she's got me worried? I don't wanna lose her. Just don't wanna lose her. I say the cross town is too slow. Hitchhiking is a no-no. It's all I'm thinking of. All I'm thinking of.
Everybody's talking about it. I can hear the word they saying. Only the echoes of their mind. Yeah. Going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain. Going where the weather suits my clothes. Skipping over the northeast wind and sailing on the summer breeze. Riding over the ocean like a storm. Yeah.
Looked at me and I could see feelings gone. What happened to the dreams we planned on to run, boy? You turned away and tried to say what we both knew. But baby, I ain't changing mine. Good morning! Cause I don't wanna lose you long.
Hey baby, even though you break my heart, I still love you, and I always will. Sorry is all that you can say. Years gone by and still the words don't come easily. Like sorry, like sorry. Forgive me is all that you can say. Years gone by and still the words don't come easily. Like forgive me, and you can say baby, and baby can I
All right, so I see that the people over on YouTube not enjoying the stream this morning because YouTube are going with foolishness. I don't know that these songs are not permitted under their license. So I'm not really sure what them are going with over there, but I apologize. That's why I'm imploring you. Follow me on the platforms that allow the streams to go out unhindered. We're talking about following me on Twitch. Use the handle at DJ RODDYG. Follow me over on Mixcloud using the same handle at DJ RODDYG. I know I say write us up on Facebook. We send out the links them from time to time. I do believe that the Linktree link is in my bio. So you can find a link there. You can find my Linktree and you can find me on all the platforms on which I stream. Shout out to the folks over here up on TikTok who have it unhindered. Boy, I don't know what am I going to do with this platform in the 2025, but we're there and we are going to stream over here, so same way. Big up to the Singles Club, 876, big up, respect, thanks for the love, thanks for the share, thanks for the gift, thanks for the follow, you understand? Yes, I. Big up there yourself, same time, you understand? All the best for the season, have yourself a wonderful Christmas. Now, yes, it's with everything we are going, and the fact that they want in the commercial district from about 1 hour ago, I just got to drop a grand finale, you understand? Or maybe 2, because I think that one was like an intro. I don't remember. But at the one time a year, I get to play it. And so without further ado, I'm going to find it. So shout out to all of the folks over on BlackScorpionEnterprise.com. You understand? Shout out to the folks at Twitch, TikTok, Mixcloud, Facebook, and well, the YouTube people, them gone. I don't know if it return yet. See, I'll know the YouTube no return and attack. So next thing you're going to realize them ban me for good this time because I'm up on one strike already. So big up to the eye themselves. Yeah, it is Christmas Eve. Listen, patience, tolerance, understanding, consideration. Please exercise them things that today. Patience, tolerance, consideration, understanding. Just exercise them thing there. No make nobody make your blood boil. You understand? No make nobody anger you. No make nobody frustrate you. If you find yourself in a frustrating situation, just look for a solution. All right? Calm down your nerves and keep your blood pressure up on the level. You understand? Because trust me, it's mad out there. And everybody hustle and bustle and go about them thing with little regard for them neighbor, for the next somebody side of them. I mean, I implore you for the ones with up on the stream, don't be that person. Be that person who is conscious of the fact, so your actions impact others. You understand? So just be mindful of others and just go about your business in a very considerate, in a very patient, in a very understanding way today. Seeing, and the one time a year I get to play that special and nobody else can play this. This is exclusive for DJ Roddy G. And I have to send a big shout out to my girl Tashina Music. Tashina, you're my boo from them time till now, you understand? So thank you so much for this one. This is how I leave you this year, Christmas Eve. Remember the scheduling, we're not too sure about it, so just stay on the pages. I'm going to send out the notification them as to what's going to be happening with the show and the time that you will be accustomed to hearing it. But big up to Black Scorpio Enterprise, big up to Father Jack Scorpio, big up to JB, big up Cavill, the entire team. Yo, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, however you say it. May I wish you all the best for it. And Tashina Music takes us out this Christmas Eve.
This is your girl Tashina Music representing for Roddy G. Happy holidays, everybody. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared and the soul felt his worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious norm. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine. Happy holidays, everybody. Keep safe.
Roddy G is your morning man.